Hello everyone, this is Dawn with twiceshearedsheep.com, and I just have a really quick knitting tip for you today. Last time I showed you how to knit back on a garter stitch swatch so that you don't have to turn your work in a narrow piece of knitting like this. Today I'm going to show you how to purl back in case you are doing stockinette stitch instead of garter stitch. So for purling, we're going to want our yarn in the back behind our hand, and we're going to stick our needle through just like if we were on the other side and we were purling. We're going to stick it through from from left to right, and then we're going to wrap our yarn over the top and in between the needles and pull it through. So needle through, over the top, and pull it through. If you are an English knitter and you like to hold the yarn in your right hand, this is actually easier. Go ahead and stick your needle through to purl, wrap the yarn in between and pull it off. So through, around the back, and in between, and out. And there you go, just continue across and you've got a nice simple way to work your way back without having to turn your work every time. This comes in really handy for narrow strips of knitting like this, for intralac where you've got things that are working next to each other, very small squares, and I know that you will find an awesome use for it. If you liked this tip and you'd like to see more, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and we'd love to see you next time. Bye-bye.